So many smart solutions for a more efficient kitchen. Now it fits. The best way to put coffee in the mocha? The base of the plastic cup fits the filter perfectly. This way, it is more convenient and you don't risk soiling. Dripping oil soils the bottle. Use a cotton pad. Cut it in the center and insert it into the neck of the bottle. Drop-proof. Try this alternative chicken recipe. Lay out the sheet of baking paper and brush it with olive oil. Add salt and rosemary. Wrap the chicken breast tightly in paper and put it in the pan. Perfect cooking. And clean frying pan. A perfect trick for summer. Put it in the freezer and get a cooling tray to keep food fresh. Brilliant! The best way to eat leftover pizza? Heat it in the microwave with a glass of water. Soft and delicious. Can't find the opening again? A rubber band will do the trick. Wow! Easy as pie. An idea for an original cold drink. Beautiful to look at and thirst-quenching. When the popsicle starts to melt, it is quite a problem. A ramekin is enough to keep it safe. Child-proof.